Hi, it's Lynette here. So, the sun is shining, but it's a bit cloudy, so it's kind of a bit hit and miss today where I am. But I've got the washing out and I'm pleased that it's dry. It's been quite dreek, as we would say up here the last couple of days. So, last month I filmed the Savers haul, so I popped into Savers whenever I'm in Edinburgh. But I end up buying loads and lugging it home and regretting it. So, I went online, and when you spend more than £30 you get your postage and packaging for half price, so it only cost me £2, and the box arrived, quite a big heavy box. So I'm just going to show you what I got. I needed to get some bits and pieces. I'm going to do a video on cleaning hacks with bicarbonate of soda because we've got loads of different uses, but what I will say is what I was doing before was buying the baking soda or the bicarbonate of soda from the baking aisle. But if you buy it from shops like Savers and Poundland, you can get the stuff that's only to be used, don't ever use this in your baking, for cleaning around the house for about £1. The check price on Amazon, it's much more expensive. So Savers, Poundland, any store like that will normally carry them. Supermarkets as well. So there's loads of uses for this, but I'll do a wee video on it. But the reason I actually picked it up is because Stephen's got some deodorant stains on his t-shirts, and we did try to bleach them and it didn't work. But I did read if you made a paste from bicarbonate of soda and leave it overnight, it's supposed to help. So I will try that and I will let you know how I get on. Might even do a wee video. So I ordered 2 of those because they're handy for so many different things. I also ordered disinfectant floor wipes. So these are great, you know, if you've got one of these flash mops, or you can just use them by hand. They're the right size for the flash mop as well, and it saves you spending a fortune on the, you know, if you're buying the flash wipes specifically. So those are much cheaper. I also picked up a couple of cans, but I can't find the other one, of hair mousse. So I tried the Bristol's and it's for curl and wave, so that was really cheap. That was about £1. I got 2 of those, but I can't find the other one. Oh, it's here. So I used to use Bristol's, but it was in a pink tin when I used to use it. So yep, this is curls and waves, 2 of those. I also picked up one of these. It's a dehumidifier with air freshener, so you can leave this in rooms like your bathroom or your shower, or maybe in your kitchen if you're on your tumble dryer or it's really hot. They're really good, so that will eventually kind of fill with water. It's supposed to help mould and dampen things. I don't know if it does. Because I'm always roasting at the moment, I picked up this cooling mist spray. That was only £1. There's no parabens or anything in it. I don't know if it's got a scent. It says cooling. It's got a slight fragrance to it. So I thought I would try that. I picked up 18 unscented candles to use with my wax melts. I also picked up, they send everything really good. They send in plastic packaging just in case it leaks. I also picked up soda crystals, and I use these to wash my washing out, but you can actually pop it in your washing. Again, I'll do another wee video on what you can use that for, but it's really handy, you know, to use around the house, and it's not got a lot of harsh chemicals like some other cleaning products. I had to pick up another one of these Dr. Magic Snatch a Dye. You pop these when you're doing washes where you're worried that the colour might leak into another one. It says you can mix your colours, but I'm always really careful with mixing mine. I'm roasting. I'm absolutely roasting here. I picked up my usual Wella Shockwaves Curls and Waves. That's about £2.49 from Savers, so it's the cheapest place I've found it. Pack of Treeborn mints for my handbag, because why not? A can of Inset hairspray. Mum always used to buy this. I don't know if she still does, but it was a big massive tin of Inset hairspray, so it reminds me of. I know I bought loads of these Fabulosa in one of my previous Fabulosa hauls, but I'd never tried the Fruity Patootie, so I think that's about £1. It's the antibacterial multi-surface cleaner. They will get used. Now in terms of for mould and mildew, the Astonish mould and mildew blaster in Apple Burst, I really like that. I use it regularly in the bathroom, but if you've got a problem, Sillet Bang do the mould one, but I find the bleach and hygiene one is the best, so I use that on like my kitchen drainer thing, the rack and stuff like that. It's really good. One of the best products I've ever found. And these were only £1, a pack of 3 microfiber cloths. They're really good for like cleaning and dusting and things. I needed a new deodorant, so I picked up Nivea Black and White Invisible. It says silky smooth after shaving. It just stops what happened with Stephen's t-shirts with your deodorant staining anything white. I'll usually get the smaller can of that, but I got that one. What else did we get? Oh, antibacterial wipes. I just tend to use these when I'm cleaning the loo. Means you're not touching it with a cloth or whatever. I don't use it for wiping down surfaces unless I'm going out. If I was going somewhere, I tend to have a wee packet of antibacterial wipes in my bag because I am very sad these days. Because last time I did a haul of Fabulosa one, I didn't get a lot of the concentrated disinfectant, so I picked up 3 of the Fruity Patootie. I put those in when I'm washing the floors, and it just, or like if I'm leaving cloths to soak in the sink, it just leaves a lovely smell. Oh, that's lovely. That is really fruity. Smells like you could actually drink it. Cleans and shines, eliminates odours, and it makes 10 litres. So how much is this? So that's 500 mils. So it makes up 2 of those. So I would keep this once it's finished. Probably use some of this for the floor, but refill it. So that was the plan. So you're saving money when you're doing it that way, when you're refilling. And last but not least, 2 bars of soap, because I do have a thing for soap now. I do sometimes go onto Etsy and buy soap, but this is a bit cheaper. So it's by Soap Tag, and it's a soap slice in citrus mint. It smells lovely. You can smell it through the packaging. And I also picked up one which is coconut. I absolutely love the smell of coconut. I think they were about £2 odds. But just nice for a wee change. So I need to add all of these items into my June Year of Less, but they're all cleaning products. They will all get used, and it just saved me trying to lug it all home. So let me know if there's any products you want to know a wee bit more about. If there's a product here that you use all the time and you swear by, let me know. If there's something you think I should try next time I go into Savers, let me know as well. Or let me know next time I do an online haul. It'll probably be a wee while before I buy any more cleaning stuff, to be honest with you. But always like to have one of these, and I was out of this. So this is one of the best cleaners. I used to spend hours scrubbing the top of my cupboards. You know how they kind of get dusty but they get trapped with grease as well? I used to use the soap scourers, spend hours kind of scrubbing them. First time I got this, I sprayed it on, left it a minute or 2 and wiped it. Honestly, it took a job that could take me all afternoon to like literally 10 minutes doing the whole of the top of the kitchen surfaces, cupboards. So I highly recommend it for jobs like that, whenever there's anything kind of greasy and dusty or getting rid of mould. They do have a specific mould one, but this is good. So I use it in my dish rack. I use it on the tiles where they get a little bit mouldy in the cupboards. Also use this as well. This is a little bit cheaper, but it's not as strong, but I tend to keep this upstairs just to spray down like the shower tiles and things like that. So yeah, I do like a cleaning product, but now the problem is I now have to go and find somewhere to put it all. So I just thought I'd pop on and show you what I've got, and I'll take a note of everything and add it up for my next Year of Less. So speak to you soon, guys. Bye bye.